Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to yoga for a happy day. Let's find the way to a comfortable seated position. Let's close the eyes and join the hands together. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes, and let's get started on the hands and knees. So come on over to your hands and knees, coordinating breath with movement. Let's start off with cat and cow. Inhale, extend, rolling through the spine. Exhale, round. We'll do 2 more times. Inhale, extend, big breath in. Exhale, round. Let's bring it under. Again, inhale, extend, a big breath in. Exhale, round, draw it under. Now let's see if we can get some rolling action in the spine. So from a neutral position, I want you to roll through the rib cage. And so we roll from the right side to the left side. And one more time. Exhale and roll, and inhale, round. Reverse the direction. Exhale, left side to the right side. Bring it around. Left side to the right side. Bring it around. One more. Left side to the right side. And bring it around. All right, that's good. Feel how it is to be back on the hands and knees. Very good. Curl your toes under. And then let's inhale up to downward facing dog. Take a moment. Say hello to your downward dog today. See how the downward dog is feeling. And you might want to say to yourself, just like you would to your favorite puppy, good dog. All right, this is a good dog. All right. Now let's bend the knees and see what that good dog wants to do today. So let's straighten the legs and see if we can get a little more hamstring action happening. One more time. Bend the knees. See if we can activate to lengthen the hamstrings. One more time. Give me a bend the knees around the back. And then as you straighten, let the spine release. One more breath. All right, that's good. Switch your gaze forward. Let's walk the feet forward. And then inhale, chest forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand up and keep your hands by your side as you come up to standing. Shake it out for a moment. Now we're going to do some work into half forward fold from Samasthitihi. So maybe you want to come into the center of the mat. This could be useful. It's also good to help your balance. Now let's root down into the feet. All right. Inhale, let's raise the arms. Take a moment here. Exhale, interlace the fingers, flip the palms up. Inhale, extend, extend, extend. Tuck the chin a little bit under, and then drawing the navel in. Exhale, half forward fold. Gaze at the feet. Stay for 1. Send your butt back. 2, 3, keep this active. Draw the navel in. 4, 5. Inhale, let's come all the way up. Deep breath in. Exhale, hands by your side. Gaze forward. Take a moment. Feel the impact of the breath, body, mind connection. And then let's do it again. Inhale, let's raise the arms. Interlace the fingers as you exhale. Inhale, extend, 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 extend. And then exhale, fold, half forward fold. Send your chest as far away from your hips as you can and press the palms. 1, 2, use your glutes to support the body. 3, 4, as much back as you can go, go. 4, 5, inhale, come forward, all the way up, chin down. Exhale, lift the chin as you come back to standing. Allow a moment for the sensation. One more time. Inhale, let's raise the arms, interlace the fingers, point the palms up. Inhale again, big breath in, deep, deep, deep breath in. And then exhale, half, forward fold. 1, hips back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come all the way up and exhale, lift the chin as the arms float down. Very good.
All right, now we're going to see if we can do a little bit of a side lean. So we're going to see if we can move the torso over to the side, and we'll do it progressively. So at first, let's just get comfortable with the feeling of hip displacement. So that sounds a little weird, but we're not getting a hip surgery. We're just going to move the weight of the hips over to the side and displace that from the center line. So let's just get that feeling. If you take your right hand onto the right hip, inhale, lift the left arm, reach, 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 and then as you exhale, push the hips over to the side and lean away. So we're getting a big lean. And now let's stay for 1, 2, make sure your quadriceps are active. 3, try to stretch the side body. 4, and 5, inhale back to the center. Exhale, let's take the hand down. Switch the sides. Take your left hand around that left hip, and then inhale, lift your right arm. Big breath in. Exhale, start to fold over, a little more over, a little more over, and stay. 1, 2, 3, reaching, steady. 4, use your thighs, draw them into each other, use your glutes. 5, inhale, come up to the center, and then exhale, let's bring it down. Now we'll see if we can add in both hands, but we'll do it progressively. Right hand on the right hip, inhale, lift a big breath in. And then exhale, fold over to the side. If you're comfortable, then we can take the hand to the midline, and then maybe both hands stretch. 1, 2, look forward. 3, 4, 5, inhale to the center. Exhale, let's float the arms down, down, down. Very good. Now we're going to try the other side. Take your left hand on the left hip. Inhale, raise the arm, right side. And then exhale, lean, push on the hips with the left arm. If you're comfortable here, hand to the heart. Then extend, interlace, and hold. 1, look forward. 2, 3, feel where the stretch is different now. 4, 5, inhale, come back to the center. And then exhale, arms float down by the side. One more time. And this time, you can choose if you want to take support from the hips, or you can choose to see if you can go directly in from raising the arms above the head. Inhale, let's raise the arms above the head and interlace. Good. Exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, nice and steady. 4, 5, inhale, let's bring it up, reach. And then exhale, pivot over, activate the glutes and push with your side body. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, inhale back to the center, reach. Exhale, hands float down by your sides. Come on back to the center of the mat, looking forward. Inhale, let's raise the arms above the head, press your palms. Exhale, fold all the way down, hands by your feet, tuck your chin, forward fold. Inhale, let's lift the chest up, deep breath in. Exhale, come on back, find plank. Hold plank, show me plank, stabilize the arms. Activate the glutes, and then exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, and big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, all the way out. All right, that's good. Now, look forward. Inhale, step your right foot forward. Exhale, the left foot turns out. Stay for a moment here. Come up onto your fingertips. And then inhale all the way up to standing. Interlace the fingers and point the palms up and hold for 1, 2, 3, steady. 4, 5, half forward fold, extend the arms forward. 1, strong legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, change the hands, interlace your fingers and drop the head down and pivot forward. 1, 2, steady. 3, 4, 5, press into the legs. Inhale, come up, reach the arms over your head, and deep breath in. Exhale, arms float down by your sides. Bend the right knee, take the hands down. Spin the left foot forward and back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. Downward facing, big breath out. Change the sides. Inhale, step your left foot forward. Turn the right hip joint out. Come up onto your fingertips. Press into the legs. Inhale, come all the way up. Interlace. Point the palms up. Stay for a moment. Lift, lift, lift. Fire up the intercostal muscles. Fire up the serratus anterior so you can really support the rib cage. And then exhale, half forward fold. Now the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interlace the fingers and fold, pressing weight into your forward leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press into the legs. Inhale, extend the arms up. Pause for a moment. Lift and breathe. Bend your left knee, and then exhale, hands down. Inhale, come on back to plank. Find your plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. And downward facing, all the way out. All right, let's look forward. Cross your feet. Exhale, come on down to seated. Let's take Dandasana position. Flex your feet, root down through the sitting bones. Hands next to the hips. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interlace your fingers and inhale, reach up. 5 more breaths. 1, root down through the sitting bones. 2, let this stabilize and strengthen the back. 3, 4, 5. Reach down, hold on to your big toes. Inhale, prepare, deep breath in. Exhale, fold. 5 more breaths. Paschimottanasana, let's forward fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight arms. Exhale here. Remove your hands. Navasana, breathe. 1, try straight legs. We were just down with straight legs. You can do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrap your arms around your legs and tuck the chin. If this is comfortable, reach up for your feet. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Straighten the arms. Exhale, cross your feet. Inhale, we pick it up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Big breath in. Exhale, downward facing.